Which of the following terms describes individuals who demonstrate both exceptional intellectual abilities and disabilities, often referred to as having two different labels? So, ibig sabihin, i-underline natin ang ating keywords ha. Exceptional abilities, ibig sabihin, exceptional intellectual abilities, ibig sabihin po ay gifted, mataas ang IQ, pero meron din ditong disabilities. Ibig sabihin may learning difficulty pa rin at the same time. Maaaring meron siyang ASD, may ADHD. Okay? So, ang sagot ng taong bayan, patingin nga, ayun na, nakita ko na. Ang yabang-yabang na naman ng taong bayan dahil ang tamang sagot ay tan-tananan! Letter C, twice exceptional. Uy, ang galing. Tamang-tama na naman po, tumpakyehe na naman po tayo mga kasned. Okay, si letter A, sige, si gifted with disabilities, although descriptive siya, pero hindi po ito yung ating official term ha. Hindi siya ginagamit for formal sped settings or sa diagnosis. Si special children naman, X na natin yan. Si special children, very broad yung term. Okay? So, hindi rin po yan. Si double-labeled naman, si double-labeled, maling term din siya.